As a teacher, I want my students to come in to a colorful, positive, and safe classroom. I will spend the first few weeks of school focusing on classroom procedures. It is important to practice procedures so that students have a routine and know what to expect when entering the classroom. I have created a plan that has specific steps to completing each procedure. I have decided to predetermine where children will sit in my class. I will place name tags on every desk. As students arrive on the first day of school, I will greet them and tell them to find their name on a desk. The desk will be arranged where I can easily get to every student quickly. My desk will be placed with the idea of with-itness in mind. I want to be able to see every part of my classroom from where I am sitting. I will have a big rug with a rocking chair and an easel to give the students an opportunity to move from their seats and come together as a whole class. I will have a table in my classroom with 5 to 6 chairs to meet with small groups for guided reading instruction. It is important to work with students individually while teaching literacy. Each student will have specific skills that need to be identified by the teacher to help them become a better reader. I have a democratic leadership style. As a teacher, I will guide and support my students. I will invite my students to participate in the classroom. I want to have a balance between the teacher and the student. I will walk around and be engaged in the activities that the students are participating in. Sometimes I will just observe, and other times I will participate so that students can see that what we are doing is important and not impossible to do. I am aware that there is going to be diversity in my classroom. To support diverse learners, I have implemented additional help in each lesson that I have created. It is important to never assume that everyone knows specific terms and ideas. For example, in a Christmas Around the World lesson, I had students share their traditions at home so that students would get an idea of what Christmas in the U.S. is like, rather than just assuming that everyone knows. I have created a discipline hierarchy to ensure consistency over the issues that come up in my classroom. Students will be asked to sign an individual pledge stating that they understand the rules of the classroom, which will be created by the students on the first day. I want to be a supportive and positive teacher. I want to build relationships with my students so that they know that I am trustworthy. I will be flexible and understand that my beliefs and ideas will change. This is my future classroom.